What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today I'm going to show you how to get into your Nissan Maxima and get it started if your key fob dies. We're going to be doing it on a 2017 Maxima here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in this situation, our car's locked and our key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. So the first thing we're going to do is get it open, and that's going to be done with the emergency key that's in the bottom of the fob. You get that out by pressing that little release button on the back of it. It'll slide out like that. And we're going to put it in the driver's door cylinder, and we're going to turn it to the right or clockwise. And we can open it to get it started with the dead fob. We just need to hold the fob near the stop-start button. And then once it starts beeping, you can go ahead and start it as you normally would. And then you'll just need to change your fob battery as soon as you can. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.